Last day we talked of joining of sentences, and the joining was done in a specific way. Certain formats were followed, while I talked of preference 1, preference 2 and preference 3. These are entirely incomplete if we do not maintain the format, and further if we do not go through the exercises. In this particular video we will discuss that very things. Few of the examples will take, questions will take, and we will write the answers. Now our discussion is going to be here. In this discussion, what will you do? Since this is one end video, you can't converse here. So I want your response via WhatsApp or in the comment section. You provide me your valuable opinion regarding any doubts or any topic, and in this video we will have to get total 15 to 20 exercises, and you kindly do one thing: you should observe these things very clearly, so that one concept is going to be formed clearly and you will feel confident regarding this very topic. So the topic is combine the sentences without using and, but or so. So you cannot use and, but, so. These three things. The first one, he hurt his foot, he stopped. In many ways we can write this answer. We can write hurting his foot, he stopped. But as we described, we discussed that we should not use simple format of sentences. So it would be better for us to write down he hurt his foot, therefore he stopped. You can do it in many other way. So this is not the only way. You can write it using since, as, and you can make it simple also. But which one is written using red color? That is the perfect option that we have. Okay. Now the next one. I was walking along the street one day. I saw a dead snake. So this one I can make simple. Walking along the street one day, I saw a dead snake. That's the easiest one. So better you make it complex. We can write while walking along the street one day, I saw a dead snake. As you can see, this first part is a subordinating conjunction and subordinating clause, and the second part is the principal clause or the main clause. We can also write using when. So the other options available here are when. We can make it simple sentence also. So the green one is the perfect one to follow. Next, he was wary of failure. He immigrated to Africa. We can write it using being wary of his failure. Being wary of failure, he immigrated to Africa. But better one you can write as or because or since. Since he was wary means tired of his failure, he emigrated to Africa. Now this is the first option that you can go for. Secondary options are also available. We can use as, because. We can use it as simple sentence also. So our first preference is since, as or because. Fourth one. Now whatever I am discussing here, that is according to the format of ICSE. So it's not to be judgmental while doing this one, because what is being described here, that is best suited for ICSE format. In other board it may not suit properly. Now next one, I was returning home, I saw a man, he was lying by the roadside. Here we have more than two sentences, we have actually three sentences. I was returning home. So I can write when I was, or you can write while also, when I was returning home, I saw a man lying by the roadside. Other options are also available. We can use while. We can use while here, and also we can make it simple sentence. Returning home, I saw a man. So we can make it simple also. But the best one is written in purple color. Next one. The word of command will be given. You will then fire. So better to use this one. When the word of command will be given, you will fire. When the word of command will be given, comma, you will fire. Then it is optional here. If you write, you have to write at last, you will fire then, but better to avoid that, since I am using one terminology regarding time, that is when. Now next one, that is the king dies, his eldest son came to the throne. Now most of us would try to prefer it, or would like to write it using as soon as. Kindly avoid as soon as and no sooner while joining this one. Nowhere it is written immediately the incident occur. When the things occurred immediately, if it is written immediately his eldest son came to the throne, that time you can write as soon as. Otherwise, don't go for as soon as or no sooner. So in my opinion, you try to discard that one. We should not keep any chance of committing error. So what should we do here? Instead, we should use it when. When the king dies, his eldest son came to the throne. Here is little error in the question. The king died, it would be better. Okay. So you can use before and after also. That's options also we have. So we have the option of before, after also. We can use as also. You can use as, but best suited when it use it regarding time, and use it when. He is very honorable, he will not break his promise. Easily you can write being honorable, we can use being here, but that is but will not use it. Instead we will use this one. Since he is very honorable, comma, he will not break his promise. I think that would be better. Now you can go for other options also. You can use being honorable, you can use as, because, therefore. So these options are also available here. You can use just like as, because, therefore, for, but the best option is that one written using ash color. Next one, he does well, he is nervous at the start. Best one is though. He does well, comma, he is nervous at the start. Now we can use even though, although. Now even though is for formal use, whether though is for informal use. So what we can do here, we can use here although, even though, or you can use yet. Keep it in mind, yet to be used in the middle of the sentence, while although, even though, though to be used at the beginning of the sentence. So any mistake should not be committed regarding that issue. He does not know anything, he pretends ignorance. He does not know anything, he pretends ignorance. So the best one pretends mean to show off. Better to use since. Since he does not know anything, comma, he pretends ignorance. Now children, what is the matter here? Whenever you can use since, you can use as, because, therefore. But when you use as, you should not use it in the beginning of the sentence, use it at the middle of the sentence. Same is the case with because, don't start it with because. As, because to be used in the middle of the sentence, while since you can use at the beginning of the sentence. Yet is the same case. So few rules are there which is to be followed clearly. Next, so whenever you can use since, in that place you can use, in that sentence it is obvious for us to use, it is very easy for us to use as, because, therefore. He saw me, he ran away. So easiest one, we can use simple sentence, seeing me he ran away. Seeing me he ran away, but we will not follow simple format. Instead we will follow like this. We can write using time by using when, just like when he saw me, that is the subordinate clause, he ran away, that is the main clause. We can use it in many other way, just like we can use here as, we can use as, because, since, therefore, and many other. So these are the formats we need to follow here. So this is the first exercise that we have done. The second and third one I will send as homework. Okay, kindly follow the format that we talked about. Thank you everyone.